Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.9 sums. First one, find the sum of the following series. So we have to find the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 60. Here n is 60. N is 60. So we have to find the sum of this series. So sigma k equal to 1 to n, k equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 is the formula. N is 60. 60 into 60 plus 1, 61 by 2. After you cancel 1, 2 is to 30. And 30 into 61, put it to 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. So 1830 is the answer. Next one, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. up to 96. We have to find the sum of these numbers. So here 3 multiples. They are 3 multiples. So you take it 3 common. So 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. 96 by 3 is what? 32. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 32 you write it inside the bracket. So here n is 32. So n plus 1, 32 plus 1, 33 by 2. So 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 2. Remaining 1, 12. So 16. So 3 into 16 into 33. Therefore 3 16s are what? 40. 48 into 33. Multiple 48, 33. So 3 8s are 24. 2 remain. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Again that 3 only. So you can write it that number. So 144. So answer 4, 8, 5, 1. 1584 is the answer. These 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. 96, that number for sum of series 1584. Next one, 51 plus 52 plus 53 up to 92. We have to find the sum of the series. First, we will find 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 92 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here 51 starting number, so before 50. So if we find out, we can get the sum of series. So first 1 plus 2 plus 3 means what formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So n is here 92. Therefore 92 into 93 by 2. Minus here n is 50. 50 into 51 by 2. You cancel 1. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. Here also you cancel 1 2 is 2. This one is separate. Keep it in mind. Here separate. So here cancel 2 5. So 46 into 93 minus 25 into 51. So you multiply, you get it 4278. Here 1275. Minus 8 minus 5 3, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3. 3003 is the answer. Next sum, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 etc. up to 225. Here you see these numbers, they are squares. 4 means 2 squared, 9 3 squared, 16 4 squared. Here 225 also 15 squared. So here first you can arrange it, write it 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared etc. plus 15 squared. Here you use this formula, k squared sigma k equal to 1 to n, k squared equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 into 2n means 2 into 15, 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. Cancel with 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Again you cancel it. 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. 5 8s are 40 into 30. So put it 0. 4 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12. So 1240 is the answer. Fifth sum. 6 squared plus 7 squared plus 8 squared up to 21 squared. So what we can do first? First 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared etc. up to 21 squared minus 1 squared plus 2 squared. What is that first number here? 6 means you write it 5. So 1 squared plus 2 squared etc. up to 5 squared. First squared means k squared means what formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is 21, therefore 21 in plus 1 22 into 21 into 2 42 plus 1 43 by 6. You separate bracket, put it. And next also n is 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 6. Cancel 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 11. 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 7 into 11, 77. 77 into 43. 3 7s are 21, 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 23. 4 7s are 28, 2. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So 1, 8 plus 3, 1, 3 and 3. So 3, 3, 1, 1 is the answer. Here 6, 6 cancel it one time. 5 11s are 55. So 3, 3, 1, 1 minus 5, 5 equal to 3, 2, 5, 6 is the answer. Next sum. Sixth sum. 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube etc. up to 20 cube. So here start with the 10 means first you can write it 1 plus 2 plus up to that. So here cube means 1 cube plus 2 cube up etc. up to 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube etc. up to 9 cube. So cube formula what? K cube n into n plus 1 by 2 whole squared. So here first n is 20. So 20 into 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 whole squared minus next one n is 9. So 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 by 2. So cancel it 10. 10 into 21, 210. Here cancel it 5. 9 5s are 45. So 210 squared, that is 21 squared is 441. So 0, so 44,100. 210 squared is 44,100 minus 45 squared is 2025. So minus it, you get it 42,075 is the answer. Seventh sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 70. Here you notice this 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 etc. up to n is, we use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. But here odd term is, odd term given. So what we can do means, we use this formula sum of first n odd natural numbers means we can use formula Sn equal to n square. Sn equal to n square. But we can find out n. So for that we can use first term a equal to 1. D means 3 minus 1, that is t2 minus t1 2. L is last term 71. So you can use n equal to L minus a by d plus 1. So 71 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is 70 by 2, 35. Here 35 plus 1, 36. That is n. So n squared means 36 whole square. That is 1296 is the answer. Next one. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is given 325. Find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k cube. It's very easy because given 1 plus 2 plus 3k equal to 325 means we use n into n plus 1 by 2. Here k given, so k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to 325. 1 cube means what formula? K into k plus 1 by 2 whole squared only. So you can use 325 whole square. That is 1,05,625 is the answer. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube etc. up to k cube is 44,100, then find 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to k. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k cube means what formula? K into k cube equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 whole squared is given data 44,100. So we will find 44,100 square root. That is k into k plus 1 by 2 we will find. So 44,100 means we can split and write 441 into 100 because 100 square root is 10 only. So 441 means long division method. So 2 2s are 4. 0. Carry down, that is 41. So 2 multiply 2 is 4. Here 1 only, so you put it here also 1 same number. So 141, 41. So 441 square root is 21. So 21, this is square root, this is also square root. So 21 into 10, that is 210. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k equal to 210. Fourth sum, how many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. should be taken to get the sum 14,400. Here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k cube, that is etc. k cube equal to 14,400 given, we will find k. So use for k cube you use this k into k plus 1 by 2 whole squared equal to 14,400. We will find k means first n into n plus 1 by 2, that is k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to, so find out the square root of 14,400. Here also you split and write 144 into 100. So square root of 144, that is 12. Square root of 100 is 10. So 12 into 10, 120. Next k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to 120 means cross multiple, you get it 240. That is equal to 240 means it will come to the left hand side, plus 240 will come minus 240 equal to 0. We will find the factor of minus 240. How will you find? Already you know that. So here you take a 16 and minus 15. If you multiply 16 into minus 15 means you get it minus 240. If you add 16 minus 15, 1. So here k is 1, that is correct. So you write it k plus 16 into k minus 15 equal to 0. K plus 16 equal to 0 means k equal to plus 16 will go to the right hand side, it will come minus 16. So k minus 15 equal to 0. K equal to minus 15 will come to the right hand side, plus 15. So our answer is k equal to minus 16 and k equal to 15. But our value is not negative, so k equal to 15 is the answer. Thank you, students. Remaining sums we will see in the next class.